Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Kumar. I have done my Masters in Geology from CRM Chart College SR. I have cleared CSIR net JRF with rank 225 in my first attempt. I have also cleared UGC net JRF in environmental science also in my first attempt. I want to thank Biotecnika faculty for their constant support and motivation throughout my journey. Their 24/7 chat support is very good and very friendly. They have to clear doubt in midnight also. They have curated their text series very well. Their text series is very good and according to CSIR net previous year question papers. Their app is very easy to understand and very easy to start and prepare for CSIR net in a very easy way. I want to guide students to do PYQ daily and revise their concepts daily to build their understanding and build their concepts clearly and in a researchful manner. Biotecnika short notes are very helpful in revision in very short period of time. It contains diagrams, flowchart, and very detailed analysis in very complete. I want to thank Shekhar sir for their guidance and motivation throughout my journey. I want to recommend Biotecnika app to every aspirant. Biotecnika app contains many text series and it is very helpful and contains lot of questions. Questions have solutions video in the last. Finally, I want to thank Biotecnika for their support and guide my preparation in a right way. Thank you, Biotecnika team.